Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our '06 Honda Element, I'm going to be installing a rubber brake pad. It's the same interchangeable for the clutch pad also. This came from 1A Auto. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. The brake pedal pad is here, and this is the clutch pad. These are interchangeable pads, and I'm going to replace the brake pad because it's worn at an angle. So you reach in the back here and you'll feel a rubber lip, and you just start peeling that up. And there you have it. There's the rubber lip. Here we have the new brake pedal pad from 1A Auto, and this is the factory one. They're interchangeable. They're both the same for the clutch or the brake pad. You can see they have the same installation divot and the lip that wraps around the middle pad. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. I like to install the bottom part of it first because it has this little cut out that you can feel on the back and bring a small screwdriver if you need to around. So I install the bottom part right in the corner. So you basically just pull out on the edges. And then you get the top part last. I like to just put my hand in there and just mold it. Make sure the lip goes all the way around. And you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.